Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be buying banking stocks. And the first stock we're going to be buying today is JPMorgan Chase Bank. Now let's add some money to this account. Let's add all of the dollars I have to add today. So let's add $15,569.12. You might be wondering how I'm able to invest all of this money, and I'm actually going to explain this in a later video, so be sure to stay tuned with all of my videos that will be coming out in the very near future. Okay, so now let's invest. Here we go, JPMorgan. As you can see, I already searched it up. And we're going to buy JPMorgan Chase for around $3,000. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, we bought JPMorgan Chase. Let's see if it's already in my portfolio. Okay, here we are. It's in. That's very good. Okay. Now the next stock we're going to be buying is Bank of America. Here we go. Now of this stock we're going to be buying, let's see, we're gonna buy, we're gonna buy for $2,500. Okay, this is gonna give me 86 shares. That's quite a lot of shares. But so, anyways, $2,500 into Bank of America. And yeah, that's good. Okay, 86 shares. Current dividend yield of around 2.2%. It's excellent. Price $28. Okay. Not as cheap as when Warren Buffett bought it in August, but still a good price in my opinion. Let's go ahead. Okay. $2,500. And now let's go ahead and buy our last banking stock of the day. And that's going to be Royal Bank of Canada. Wow, this one's up to $83 already. Okay. But I think this is still a very good stock to buy. And because of its very good dividend yield and has some pretty good returns in the last 5 years, and I think will continue doing some pretty good returns. So let's go ahead and buy for $500 of Royal Bank of Canada stock. Okay. Here we go. Submit. Okay. Okay, so this was it. I just finished buying all 3 of my banking stocks, so I just invested $6,000 into 2 US banks and 1 Canadian bank, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bank of America is in here, JPMorgan's right here, and Royal Bank of Canada is down here. So we now have a total amount of $32,000 in my investment account. I still have $10,000 to invest, which I'll be doing in my next video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, have a nice evening, day, end of the week, whatever time of day or time of the week it is. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.